If you were wanting more online discounts after Black Friday, don't rush. This Monday, November 30th, is the famous Cyber Monday, the day of internet deals that focuses on consumer electronics. Amazon Mexico will offer special discounts for this day, and we chose some gadgets that would be very useful for the entrepreneurial life, or simply to advance your New Year's Eve purchases.
Titan is an extraordinary underwater drone that will allow you to freely explore the ocean, flying through the water to record every epic moment. The ultra-portable, user-friendly drone has 150 meters of maximum working depth. So even if you're not a professional underwater documentary photographer, Titan can satisfy your deep-sea desires. A 3000 lumen LED ensures that you will capture epic underwater moments, even in dark environments. For the photography enthusiast, you can use Titan's powerful 4K UHD camera with a 160-degree ultra-wide-angle lens to see underwater creatures like never before in rich detail and color. The ingenious 6-thruster power system designed by the Titan team enables the drone to fly through the ocean at up to 2 meters per second, hover underwater, and perform extraordinary feats of stability with 360-degree movement. You can pilot Titan from the included controller or with your phone or tablet using our app. A built-in rechargeable battery pack allows up to 4 hours operating time, so you will have plenty of time to enjoy the underwater world. While you pilot the drone, you can connect to VR goggles that will give you an immersive underwater experience. If you want your friends to see your adventure stories, select 1080p real-time streaming in the Titan app and share epic moments to social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram with just one click. No matter if you're underwater filming, diving, boating, or fishing, Titan is your best choice.
Any science or technology geeks out there? Hey, I'm Cal from Fleer, and I'm a proud techie, and I want to tell you about some really cool apps from Vernier called Thermal Analysis and Thermal Analysis Plus. These apps were developed right here in the United States by Vernier Software and Technology, and they're available on the iOS platform. This smartphone app is ideal for teaching students and adults alike about the power of thermal imaging, and you can use this to really harness their curiosity to figure out that you can see things through thermal imaging that you can't see with your naked eye. The core functionality of this app is to give you the tools and processes to run experiments showing what you can do with thermal imaging over the course of time. And it has a graphing function that makes it really cool to show and save the results of your experiments. There's a free version of thermal analysis that gives you really good functionality in terms of experimenting with thermal imaging on the world around you. But there's another version, Thermal Analysis Plus, that gives you a bunch of additional features and functionalities for the maybe more advanced students and people around us who want to learn a little bit more than the rest. Some of the great features of this app include the ability to set up experiments using thermal imaging and to record the data to be shared later. It has a powerful and flexible graphing function to track the results of your experiments over time. It has advanced thermal imaging functions including multiple spot meters, regions of interest, the ability to adjust and lock in temperature ranges, multiple graph modes, and time-lapse function. And it also has a set of well-developed lesson plans and suggested activities for teachers and students alike that are all available for free on the Vernier website. What's really cool about this app is the way that it stokes the fires of imagination in the people that use it, all courtesy of the sixth sense provided by the Fleer One.
Advanced Driver Assistance System, ADAS, is designed to assist drivers to prevent collisions by displaying alerts, providing camera images, or by taking instantaneous control of the vehicle. MaxiSys ADAS is the latest example of Autel's determination to provide its users with superior and technology-driven tools, software and services designed to repair the complex systems that are incorporated in today's automobiles. Autel's ADAS technician-inspired software provides multifunctional OE-level diagnostics and calibrations for expansive vehicle coverage with millimeter accuracy. Graphical step-by-step instructions and how-to videos provide guided precision for technicians to use Autel ADAS correctly and calibrate successfully so that the vehicle is restored to the right status. MaxiSys ADAS. Flexible, precise, and easy to use.
To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals.
First, we invented the folding smartphone. Now, we've reimagined it. It's crystal clear, stunning inside and out. When folded, Z flips the size of this, this, and this. But when folded open, it nearly doubles in size.
Whoa.
Standing out and getting people talking.
What's that thing?
That thing is a hideaway hinge. It's our smallest yet, and our most durable. So it lasts. Fold after fold after fold. You get the point.
What about dust?
And dirt.
Simple. We built a tiny mechanism that helps protect the phone. We call it SweeperTech. It works with cam motion to let your device move freely, locking in any position. From here to here. Exactly. Now all smartphones take photos, but not like this. Z Flip changes the camera experience. It's more than the perfect picture. It's a brand new way to use a camera.
This is the most important part.
And since Z Flip stands up,
What do you want?
you can chat like never before.
Try something new.
But when you're finished talking,
I'll call you back.
you have the screen space to do more. Built from the bottom up, you can control an app on the lower half while viewing it on the top. Or do two things at once. And if all of that is not enough, Z Flip lets you take the cinema with you.
Go on.
Its display is 21.9 by 9.
Go on.
That's like 15% more screen.
Impressive.
Z Flip isn't just a smartphone, it's a breakthrough. With a design that stands alone, it changes the shape of the future by putting a smaller shape in our pockets.
When the first SnapMaker was introduced, it raised over $2 million and connected over 10,000 users in an active community. With the new SnapMaker, we're bringing the next generation of advanced technology to this iconic design. The new SnapMaker is faster, smarter, larger, and more powerful than ever before. From 3D printing to laser engraving and cutting and CNC carving, it supports a wide variety of materials for limitless creativity. The components are made from high-strength metal. Anodizing converts the surface of the metal into a durable anodic oxide finish. Each process is strictly controlled. And due to the higher level of automation, both the quality and the speed of production have been significantly increased. Every part is meticulously made. In creating the new SnapMaker, we've taken the all-metal design to the next level. The new SnapMaker is modular, and it only takes a few steps to set up. Our software has greatly simplified the process of 3D printing, laser engraving, and CNC carving. You can also connect and control your SnapMaker via Wi-Fi or with the smart touchscreen. SnapMaker is more than just a series of machines. It's a system of powerful modules and add-ons for creative people like you. You can make an extra-large CNC router, a huge laser engraver, and even a 4-axis CNC machine. You can further enhance it by adding an IP camera, a hand wheel, an emergency stop button, an enclosure, and more. The new SnapMaker includes an automatic bed leveling feature that ensures you print on a level bed every time. The cooling system is redesigned to cool the print in the most efficient way possible. If the filament runs out, SnapMaker will pause and notify you to load new filament. It can also detect power loss and resumes exactly where it left off, so you can recover any project. To remove a print, simply lift the build plate and flex it. For laser cutting, it uses a specially designed aluminum grid table. Its built-in camera allows you to preview a design on any material or surface. What you see is what you get. It makes laser cutting as easy as drawing with a pen. It can convert your drawing into a vector image that can be edited directly in the software for laser engraving and cutting. It is 5 times faster than the original model. Whenever a new idea strikes, you'll be ready to turn it into reality. For CNC carving, it now features a fully upgraded CNC module and wasteboard. It supports over 100 carving and cutting bits by using the standard ER11 collet. Upgraded clamps provide a tighter hold. It has faster working speed, a larger step down, and fully enclosed linear modules. Bring your ideas to life and unlock your full creative potential with the new SnapMaker. It is the most advanced 3-in-1 3D printer we've ever created. Let's make something wonderful with SnapMaker. Join us and back us on Kickstarter today.